At independence in 1966, Botswana was part of the Rand Monetary Area (RMA), with the South African Rand serving as its national currency. However, on 6 September 1974, Botswana made the bold and visionary decision to withdraw from the RMA in order to gain full control over its monetary policy, exchange rates, and currency issuance. This marked a critical step toward true economic self-determination and reflected the country's growing confidence, strategic foresight, and commitment to sovereignty. The Botswana currency was later introduced in 1976 following the establishment of the Bank of Botswana in 1975. The introduction of a national currency was driven by several important factors. A local currency was not only necessary as a symbol of national identity and pride, but also as a clear representation of sovereignty. Economically, the introduction of the Pula allowed Botswana to independently manage its monetary exchange rate policies, helping to control inflation, safeguard its resources, and support long-term development goals. This transition required extensive preparation. It included selecting a name for the new currency and determining its denominations. Following a nationwide public poll, the name Pula, meaning rain or blessing, was overwhelmingly chosen as the basic unit, subdivided into 100 Thebe, meaning shield. The names were deeply rooted in Botswana's culture and way of life. Rain symbolizes life, prosperity, sustenance, particularly in an agricultural society, while the shield represents protection and resilience. On the 29th of July 1976, the then Vice President and Minister of Finance and Development Planning, Dr. Kwet Masire, officially announced that 23 August 1976 would be celebrated as Pula Day, marking the launch of the new currency. In the lead-up, Minister of Commerce and Industry Dr. Tsiepe encouraged citizens to exchange their rands for Pula, ensuring a smooth transition across the country. 50 years later, the Pula Day is commemorated, marking a golden jubilee of true national pride.
Join us as we celebrate this milestone. It's a significant milestone for the country. 50 years of having our own currency. National currency, that's a national identity, but it's also a significant of how far we have come as a country, not only politically independent but economically independent, because this currency helps us to set our own economic agenda, to set our own transformation agenda over the years, to set our own monetary policy for Botswana to enjoy the fruits of the economy. So the message is for everybody to join us in this significant milestone. It's not only for the Bank of Botswana, it is for the country, for every Botswana.
From the outset, the design of Botswana's currency has reflected the country's socio-economic, political, and cultural identity. Themes such as democracy, mining, tourism, and national unity are prominently featured. Initially, banknotes carried the portrait of the sitting president, but since 1997, each denomination has featured different national figures, with only the 10 Pula note depicting the current head of state. Over time, designs have evolved to maintain symbolic integrity while enhancing artistic relevance and incorporating modern security features. As the sole authority responsible for issuing currency, the Bank of Botswana ensures that there is always an adequate supply of clean, secure, and high-quality banknotes and coins in circulation. Through its clean banknote policy, worn and damaged currency is regularly withdrawn and replaced, maintaining confidence in the Pula and Thebe. Citizens are encouraged to handle currency with care, contributing to its longevity and preserving its dignity. But looking ahead, what does the future hold for the Pula?
The vision is for the Pula and the Thebe to remain entrenched as a currency. But we know there are technological developments, and we are currently doing some research to consider whether we will need now or in the future a digital Pula. So when the time comes, we'll make a decision and we'll tell Botswana what we think. Whether it's in note and coin or in digital currency, the Pula remains a very important symbol for the country.
Pula le Thebe, our rain, our shield, our future.